Ever wondered how to quickly find the area of any shape? Whether it's a triangle, square, rectangle, the circle, sector of a circle, segment of a circle, sphere, hemisphere, parallelogram, trapezium, cylinder, or the cone? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you the fastest and the easiest way to calculate the area of any of the shapes on the board. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will master the formulas once and for all. First, let's quickly understand what exactly is area. By definition, area simply means the amount of space or how much space a 2D shape covers. Area is measured in square units like the square meters, square centimeters, or the square inches. Now, let's look at the importance or the real-life application of area. We actually use area more than we think. Like we use area everywhere, from calculating how much paint you need for painting walls to knowing the size of your bedroom carpet. That is, if you want to paint a wall, calculating or knowing the area helps you to know the right amount or the quantity of paint to buy. No waste, no shortage. And if you love making math easier and more fun, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we learn smarter here. Alright, now that we know what area means, let's jump straight into learning how to find the area of each shape step by step. Super easy. I will start with the simplest one, that is the triangle, and build up from there. Ready? Let's go. Find the area of triangle with base 10 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. This is the formula for calculating the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half base times height, where half here is 1/2 multiplied by base b multiplied by height h. Now we substitute each of these values into our formula. 1/2 multiplied by the base, and our base value is 10 multiplied by the height 8, which is equal 1/2. 10 times 8, 1/2 multiplied by 80, 40. Therefore, the area of this triangle is 40 centimeters square. Now let's solve the second challenge. If the base of our triangle is 6 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters, find the area. Now we are given the base of the triangle to be 6 centimeters and the height h to be 8 centimeters. Now we'll substitute each of these values into the formula for calculating the area of a triangle. We have half multiplied by the base 6 multiplied by the height 8. We have half times 6 times 8, 1/2 multiplied by 48. So the area of the triangle is 24 centimeters square. Let's proceed to how to calculate the area of square. If one side of a square is 6 centimeters, calculate the area. One of the properties of a square is that it has all sides equal. That is, as the question says one side of the square is 6 centimeters. So we assume that the rest of the sides is also 6 centimeters. So we use this formula to calculate the area of the square. Area of a square is side multiplied by side. That is side square. Since the question gave 6 centimeters as one of the sides, therefore area of the square will be 6 multiplied by 6. That is 6 square, which is equal 36 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of this square is 36 centimeters square. Now, let's proceed to calculating area of rectangle. Find the area of a rectangle with length 12 centimeters and width 5 centimeters. The formula for calculating the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. Therefore, the area will be length value 12 multiplied by the width value 12 multiplied by 5, 60 centimeters square. Now let's consider another challenge that has to do with rectangle. If length is 2 meters and width is 3 meters, find the area of the rectangle. The formula for calculating the area of rectangle is length 2 multiplied by width 3. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 meters square. At this point, you are getting value and yet to subscribe to my channel. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Let's proceed to calculating the areas of circle. Find the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. We are given radius 7 centimeters. Formula for calculating the area of a circle is pi r square, where pi value is constant, which is 3.14. So we'll substitute each of these values into our formula. Area equal to pi value being 3.14 multiplied by r square, and our r value is 7. 3.14 multiplied by 7 square, 49. 3.14 multiplied by 49, 153.86. So the area of this circle is 153.86 centimeters square. Now let's look at the next challenge. If our given circle has a diameter 14 centimeters, calculate the area of the circle. We know that the area of a circle is calculated with this formula pi r squared. But in our question, we are given diameter, so we derive radius from diameter. We know that diameter d is equal to 2 radius. Therefore, radius r will be equal to diameter divided by 2. And the given diameter value is 14. 14 divided by 2. So our r value is 7. Going back to our formula, we have area A is equal pi. We did say pi value is constant. That is 3.14 multiplied by r square. R value is 7 square. So we have 3.14 multiplied by 7 square, 49. Therefore, 3.14 multiplied by 49 gives 153.86 centimeters square. Now, let's proceed to calculating the area of our sector. Find the area of our sector with radius 6 centimeters and angle 90 degrees. This is the formula for calculating the area of our sector. Theta value here is 90 degrees. Divide by 360. Multiply by pi. We know that our pi value is 3.14. Then multiply by r square, and our r value is 6 square. 90 divided by 360. 0.25 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 6 square. 0.25 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 36 gives 28.26 centimeters square. Please, if you are getting value and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. If a sector of a circle has radius 5 centimeters and angle 60 degrees, calculate the area of the sector. This is the formula for calculating the area of a sector. Theta value is 60 degrees. Divide by 360. Multiply by pi. 3.14. Multiply by r square. R value is 5 square. 60 divided by 360. 1 over 6. Multiply by 3.14. Multiply by 5 square. 1 over 6 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 25, 78.5. So 1 over 6 multiplied by 78.5 gives 13.08 centimeters square. Now let's proceed to learning how to find the segment of a circle. A circle has radius 8 centimeters and the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Find the area of the segment. Finding the area of a segment of a circle entails finding the area of the sector and also finding the area of the triangle. This means firstly we'll find the area of the sector. This is our formula for area of a sector. Theta value is 60 divided by 360 times pi multiplied by r square. R value is 8. A square have 1 over 6 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 64. 1 over 6 multiplied by 200.96 gives 33.49 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the sector is 33.49 centimeters square. Now, let's proceed to finding the area of the triangle formed by the two radii and the chord. We have 1 over 2 multiplied by r square. Our r value is 8. So, a square gives 64. Multiplied by sine theta. Theta value is 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees gives 0.866. We have 1 over 2. 64 multiplied by 0.866. 55.424. 1 over 2 multiplied by 55.424 gives 27.712 centimeters square. We'll substitute these values into our formula. Area of a segment equal area of a sector value minus area of triangle. 33.49 minus 27.712 is equal to 5.778. Therefore, the area of the segment of this circle is 5.778 centimeters square. If at this point you are getting value and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Now let's proceed to learning how to find the surface area of a sphere. Find the surface area of a sphere with radius 5 centimeters. This is the formula used in finding the surface area of a sphere. 4 times pi times r squared. 4 multiplied by pi. Pi value is 3.14 multiplied by r squared. R value is 5 and then square. So we have 4 times 3.14 multiplied by 5 squared. 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 25 gives 78.5. So 4 multiplied by 78.5 gives 314. Therefore, the surface area of this sphere is 314 centimeters square. Let's proceed to learning how to find the surface area of hemisphere. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of hemisphere with radius 4 centimeters. This is the formula for finding the curved surface area of this hemisphere. We have 2 times pi. That is 2 multiplied by 3.14 as the value of pi, multiplied by r square. R value is 4, so we have 4 square here. 2 multiplied by 3.14, 4 square 16. 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 16 gives 50.24. 2 multiplied by 50.24 equal 100.48. Therefore, the curved surface area of this hemisphere is 100.48 centimeters square. Now let's find the total surface area. We have 3 multiplied by pi, then multiplied by r square. So we have 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 4 square 16. We have 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 16 gives 50.24. 3 multiplied by 50.24 gives 150.72 centimeters square. Therefore, the curved surface area of this hemisphere is 100.8 centimeters square, while the total surface area is 150.72 centimeters square. If you are getting value and at this point you are yet to like and subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Let's find the area of this parallelogram with base 15 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Formula for calculating the area of a parallelogram is base times height, where the base value is 15 while the height is 10. So 15 multiplied by 10, 150 centimeters square. Now let's proceed to learning how to find the area of trapezium. Formula for finding the area of trapezium is 1 over 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides. These are the two parallel sides of the trapezium. A, and our A value is 8, plus B value is 12, and then multiplied by height H, 5. 1 over 2 multiplied by 8 plus 12 multiplied by 5. So we have 1 over 2, 20 multiplied by 5 gives 100. 1 over 2 multiplied by 100, 50 centimeters square. Now let's learn how to find the area of a cylinder. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder with radius 5 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Formula for calculating curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So we have 2 multiplied by pi value is 3.14, multiplied by r value is 5, multiplied by h 10. We have 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5 times 10. 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 50 gives 314 centimeters square. Now let's find the total surface area. 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r value is 5, multiplied by h value is 10, plus r 5. We have 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5, 15. 2 multiplied by 3.14 gives 6.28, multiplied by 5 times 15. 6.28 multiplied by 75 gives 471 centimeters square. So the curved surface area of this cylinder is 314 centimeters square, while the total surface area is 471 centimeters square. Now let's find the area of a cone. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a cone of radius 6 centimeters and slant height 10 centimeters. This is the formula for calculating the curved surface area of a cone. Pi 3.14 multiplied by r, our r value is 6, multiplied by l 10. 3.14 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 gives 188.4 centimeters square. Now let's calculate the total surface area. We have pi multiplied by r 6, then l 10 plus r 6. So we have 3.14 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 plus 6 gives 16. 3.14 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 16, 301.44 centimeters square. Now let's find the total surface area of a cone with radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. This is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cone. We have pi. Now looking at our formula, we could see that radius is given, slant height L is not given, rather height is given. Therefore, we adopt the Pythagoras theorem to derive the slant height L. Slant height L is equal square root of R. R value is 3 plus h square. H value is 4. The square of 3, 9 plus the square of 4, 16. 9 plus 16, 25. The square root of 25 gives 5. So the slant height value is 5 centimeters. Now let's calculate the total surface area with our formula. Pi 3.14 multiplied by R value multiplied by L. L value is 5 plus R value is 3. We have 3.14 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 plus 3 gives 8. Therefore, 3.14 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, 75.36. Therefore, the total surface area of this cone is 75.36 centimeters square. If you really got value from this video, please like, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Also do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.